Now we're gonna microwave the nail polish. For anyone that's like, that's not nail polish. Look, it's nail polish. See? It's like nail polish, right? So, wait. Okay. The lid is on tight. Now we're gonna open the microwave. We're gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. Shut the microwave. See? Nail polish. Shut the microwave. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Whoa! Smoke!
It's smoking!
Yeah. These should not be right there.
Hold on.
Ooh, what did you microwave?
The nail polish!
It's flammable.
Well, the nail polish is not flammable.
Is it?
Like this.
No battery. Don't capture video, okay. Just hold on. Just hold on.
Okay, so
Here, you film the hold on.
coming outside and
It's just smoking. And Brian's freaking out.
nail polish bottle.
He says nail polish is flammable. It's still got a minute. It's totally fine. It's just freaking out right now. It's got a minute left. Nothing's even on fire. He's just freaking out. Go back to blow drying the bushes.
Do you want me to videotape?
No, it's okay. I think I got it. That's what it sounds like you're doing. You're out here blow drying the bushes.
Does that hurt? Blow
I don't know. Maybe like, I wonder if my towel was catching on fire. I don't know. What did he say? Blow drying the leaves? I don't know what he said. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, it stopped. Okay, so we're going back to the other camera.
Yeah, but don't put aerosols next to a microwave.
Oh, shut up. It's okay. The aerosols next to the microwave aren't gonna do anything.
They explode.
Oh shit, the lid blew off! Oh crap! What happened? It like melted! It was really hot too. Is that hot? Ah! That's not hot! Oh my god! Ah! I hate these things that are so hot. That's Julia, we need to buy a freaking oven glove at the dollar store. Okay, let's get this towel. Oh shit. Oh shit, now it's all leaking to my towel. Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh, shut up. Just go. I don't know. It's like the thing is stuck in there. Oh, there's that CD. Let's see if we dump it out. What happens? Oh my god, this is so hot. Oh, get off my towel. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, okay. Oh, it's all like, it's all, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like hot. It's freaking hot. Okay, we're not gonna touch that anymore. It didn't explode. I don't know. It's like all, I don't know, it's like all dry inside. Inside? It's all dry inside. I don't know. It's really hot. I'm gonna let it cool down. Wasn't expecting this thing to, shit. Damn it, I just dropped it. Where'd it go? Okay. So wasn't expecting this thing to melt and blow off. That's interesting. I'll see when that happened. Now Potato Bug wants to, what are you gonna do? Cut the lawn. Cut the lawn, so I gotta go. He's gonna make a bunch of noise.
It's dark outside.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.